multiple factors can affect a vegetable's nutritional value, including your cooking heat, method, and time. Whether you choose to eat the vegetable raw or cooked can also impact its overall nutrition. Are raw vegetables better for you than cooked ones? We aim to answer this question by exploring the benefits of both raw and cooked vegetables. We also provide some tips for cooking your vegetables properly. So let's get started.
Hi, I am Dr. I. Welcome to a healthy dose. Let's become healthier together.
The idea that raw vegetables are always more nutritious than cooked vegetables is a common misconception. Cooking certain veggies can break down their cell walls to release more of their nutrients. When cooked, these vegetables can provide more antioxidants like lutein, beta-carotene, and lycopene than when you eat them raw. Cooking vegetables can also increase your mineral intake. With that said, some vegetables are more nutritious raw than when cooked. Raw vegetables also offer more fiber, which can aid digestion, maintain blood sugar, and lower cholesterol. Additionally, certain vegetables offer different vitamins depending on whether they are cooked or raw. As I mentioned before, cooking a vegetable can reduce the rigidity of the cell walls, making it easier to digest and absorb its nutrients. Now that we have explored the question of whether cooked or raw vegetables are better for you, let's cover some essential tips for retaining your veggies' nutritional benefits during the cooking process. Cooking vegetables quickly allows less time for vitamins and other nutrients to escape. Try to avoid cooking vegetables at high temperatures, as this can affect their nutrient composition. Frying methods like pan frying, shallow frying, sautéing, and deep frying often boost salt, calorie, and fat content. Cooking your vegetables with oil can increase fat, salt, and calories, depleting their nutritional value. While microwaving may be fast, hassle-free cooking method, it's pretty unreliable when it comes to preserving vitamins and nutrients. While microwaving isn't necessarily an unsafe cooking technique, we don't recommend microwaving your vegetables if you want to reap their full nutritional benefits. So in conclusion, both raw and cooked vegetables have their benefits. By understanding how cooking methods affect nutrient content, you can make informed choices about how you prepare and enjoy your vegetables. Remember, variety is key, so go ahead and savor the flavors of both raw and cooked vegetables for a wholesome and balanced diet. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on the video here.